Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Balkis Nurfaiza. My ID number is 25 to 435. I am here. I want presentation in the meeting 1 until the meeting in the last meeting. Okay, the next in the meeting 1 title is Islamic Studies Methodology. Islamic Studies methodology is of Islamic importance because it helps people understand Islamic teaching correctly, systematically, and comprehensively. It is essential to ensure that Islamic teachings are understood accurately and scientifically in accordance with the development of the times, without deviating from the Quran and the Hadith. And meeting 3, religion is an important of human life because it provides guidance for how people think, behave, and make decisions. It teaches moral values, changes relationship with others, and helps people find inner peace. Although modern challenges such as globalization, technology, and changing social values affect religious life, religion remains essential as a guide for living a meaningful and responsible life. And the meeting 4 is the title, The Characteristic and the Mission of Islam show that Islam is a complete way of life. The Quran and the Hadith is teaching our comprehensive, balanced, moral, and universal guiding people's relationship with Allah, other people, and the environment. The main dimension of Islam are Aqidah, Ibadah, and Akhlaq, which work together to shape a good Muslim. Understanding these characteristics and dimensions help Muslims practice Islam correctly and apply life while staying true to Islamic teachings. And meeting 5, Islamic as cultural phenomenon. The development of Islamic studies today show a tendency to no longer separate Islam from the cultural realities that exist in societies. Classic is scholarly which mainly focus normative texts such as the Quran, Hadith, Fiqh, and Kalam is now complemented by social, anthropological, and cultural approach that view Islam as a concrete and historical cultural phenomenon. From the perspective of Islamic studies methodology, this idea encourages researchers to understand that Islam is not only a set of teachings found in the religious text but also a living practice shaped by tradition, language, custom, and social structure of society. The meeting 6, methodology studies are important because they help people understand Islamic teaching accurately, systematically, and deeply. Islam covers not only worship but also social, cultural, legal, and educational aspects of life. Using proper methods allow Islamic teachings to be studied scientifically and prevents as society knowledge continues to develop, and studies also adopt different methods and approach to remain relevant while staying faithful to the Quran and Hadith. The meeting 8, Tafsir research help Muslims understand the meaning of the Quran correctly and systematically. Different research models and methods are used to explain the Quran based on its context and purpose. purpose. Studying this model enables people to apply the teaching of the Quran to modern life while remaining faithful to its original message. The meeting 9. Hadith research methods. As you study and verify the authentic and meaning of the Prophet Muhammad SAW sayings and action. Since the Hadith, the second primary source of Islamic teaching after the Quran, studying it helps Muslims understand and practice Islam correctly in aspect of life. The meeting 10. Ijtihad is important method in Islamic studies that helps scholars solve issues not directly explained in the Quran and the Hadith. It involves using knowledge and reasoning to determine Islamic rulings while remaining faithful to Islamic principles. Ijtihad allows Islam to stay relevant, addressing modern challenges such as technology, economics, and social change. The meeting 11. Islam in the era of globalization. Globalization has made the world more connected. Direct advance in technology, communication, and information for Muslims, it offers many benefits such as access to knowledge and opportunities for digital da'wah or Islamic outreach. However, it also brings challenges including the influence of foreign culture, increasing individualism, and moral issues. Therefore, Muslims need to Islamic values while adapting wisely to the changes of the modern world. The meeting 12. Contemporary Islam refers to how Muslims respond to major changes such as globalization, technology, and social developments. It include not only religious worship but also education, economics, politics, and culture. Technology and digital media have made Islamic knowledge da'wah more accessible while Muslims continue to preserve Islamic values changing world. In meeting 13, areas of Islamic study refer to the different fields used to study Islam in a systematic and comprehensive way. These areas include the study of the Quran, the Hadith, Islamic history, the culture, and social issues. Today, Islamic studies uses various approaches such as historical, sociological, and cultural perspectives to better understand Islam and role in modern society. And the last meeting, 14, the religious research and research on religion help us understand both religious teachings and how religion is practiced in society. They use scientific methods to study religious texts, belief, and influence of religions on people, behavior, culture, and social life. This approach provides a deeper and more objective understanding of religion in everyday life. Okay. I'm not here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.